AREB stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at American Rebel Holdings. It is 240 freaking 2% up, which is crazy. It absolutely pumped yesterday. Like, what happened was just the opposite. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie or deny the fact. If the price came and gave me a shift, that this is why I wait for my rules. But I was so blind to the fact that this thing just picked up. And that's part of the game. Why I love my strategy is though that even though like I was the complete opposite of my bias, right, and my idea, never took a trade here because the confirmation never got met. So what I'm going to do here is I'll zoom up. This is the top of the range, and only if the price does break past some highs, then and only then I'm gonna look to take things up. Potentially I want to see the price give me like a rule, right? Rules, like it must give me the shift in order for me to take it up, and if it does not, so nothing, you know, I'm not gonna buy. It's really all there is to it. So it's not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter if you want to stay tuned.